I'm going to take up a matter of Trayvon Batiste. Good morning, Mr. Batiste. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is Judge Middleton. I remember this case. It's from 2021. The file number is 211060SM. Also with us is the Chief Public Defender, Mr. Keith Stickley. You got charged back in 2021 with an aggravated assault upon either your roommate or landlord, Ian Penner. And allegedly you broke his nose. He says you punched him a whole bunch of times. He went to the ER and he had a broken nose. So the prosecutor charged this as aggravated assault, which is a misdemeanor punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. You continually failed to appear for your court hearings on multiple occasions. You got arrested on bench warrants for failing to appear. In fact, I think the last time Judge Pattison gave you 2 days in jail in 2022, scheduled for a last pretrial, and you did not show up. And a bonding company ate $2,000 of your bond. And so they never found you or looked for you, and they forfeited the $2,000 bond. How did you come to get arrested last night?
I basically turned myself in.
Where?
Kalamazoo.
I don't buy it. If you're going to turn yourself in, you would turn yourself in here. Did you get charged with anything in Kalamazoo?
No. Like
where do you live?
I stay in South Bend because I was on probation there, but I did not know about, I forgot about this case. Like, from what I heard, Ian Penner recanted his statement. From what I heard.
Well, hang on a minute. Hang on.
All right. Well, that's not what I heard. I heard you beat the crap out of him, broke his nose, threatened to shoot up the house, and threatened to beat up his father.
No,
and then you probably failed to appear on multiple occasions. What are you on probation for in South Bend?
Domestic violence.
Okay. How'd you end up in Kalamazoo?
It's where my fiance stays.
Looks like he has a bench warrant out of Indiana for that case for his probation.
All right. I'm going to appoint Jordan Harden was your lawyer. She's no longer on the contract.
I think she's back on the contract.
Back on, Your Honor.
Is she as of right now? Is she back on?
Yeah.
All right. She's familiar with the case. Appoint Jordan Harden as attorney. I didn't think she started till December 1, so she's on right now.
Yes, everybody restarted October.
Okay, October. Very good. Very good. All right, we'll set an attorney pretrial for November 1st. The bond is denied. You failed to appear on multiple occasions. It's an assault charge. You forfeited a surety bond. You're an out-of-state resident, and you have a warrant for you in another state. I don't want you to go down there until we take care of this.
Yes, sir.
Normally, I don't deny bond in a misdemeanor case, but I set forth the reasons why I did it in this case. This case needs to be resolved. If Ms. Harden meets with you at the jail and they work out some resolution with the prosecutor, we can always address it before November 1st. But the next attorney pretrial date is November 1st at 8:30. And we'll see where this goes. Is the fiance in Kalamazoo the same complainant as the domestic violence in South Bend, or is it a different person?
It's a different
Okay.
person.
All right. Well, we will address that. We'll let Ms. Harden know that she's your attorney again, and we'll see what we can do with it. All right,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
you're good to go.
Thank you.
All right, we're gonna bring in Mr. McKissick and we'll take care of that. And what is Ms. Marshbank?